You need to make sure that you don't have automatic earn switched on in your Binance account, because if you do, when your robot buys a small amount of tokens, then Binance will automatically move those tokens so that you can earn a small interest from them. And if you've got that switched on, then obviously Jonny Blockchain's robot will not be able to sell the tokens that it bought when it reaches a profit, because Binance have moved them automatically. So to check that setting, when you're logged into your Binance account, if you come up to the top, you'll see earn and you'll see auto invest. Click on there. So when you come onto here, if you've got any auto invest plans running, they'll be at the top. You see I've got this one here. And down here, you'll see all the tokens that you can create a plan. So if you've got any plans running, you want to make sure that they're off. Pause it. Now that's paused, it won't do anything. So just make sure that you haven't got that auto invest switched on. Another way to check if you've got any tokens in auto invest is come on the left hand side and click on earn, and then what you want to do is click on this tab here that says auto invest. Make sure that you haven't got any active plans here. There's that plan that I switched off. Also check your pool savings, that you haven't got anything in there. Mine is all empty. And then your Launchpad, make sure that you've got nothing in there. You don't want anything automatic switched on where Binance will move your funds. That will stop Jonny Blockchain trading that token.